Hold on, wait. Okay. All right, so these are the Tiamat Force True Wireless Earbuds. I gotta say, so far they're pretty awesome. So it's kind of windy out here right now, but I just need to get my test in real quick to see if they were going to work outside and see if I experienced any cutouts. Now, I did get a couple of cutouts on my left ear. That's apparently the dominant ear. And if you put your hand over it and like really cup it, it's gonna give you some cutouts on that left side. But the right one will keep playing. But overall, it's a pretty good experience as far as like connectivity. Now, as far as the sound quality, let's go ahead and go inside and talk about all that. Ooh, okay, I'm back. Man, it's kind of chilly out there. Let me get a little comfortable. Okay, so look, these are the Tiamat Force, and I kind of dig them. I had to do my test outside, and I know it was a little windy out there, so I'll just go ahead and regurgitate some of the stuff I already mentioned. The connection, that's why I was outside. I always have to test the connection, because true wireless earbuds always sound great when you're indoors. As soon as you take them outside, you start running into stuff and you start losing connectivity. I will tell you right now that you will get a couple of dropouts. These are the left pocket headphones, meaning that you got to put your phone in your left pocket if you want the strongest Bluetooth connectivity. I had my phone in my right hand pocket, and that's where I got a couple of dropouts. Now, it was just a couple, man. It wasn't nothing for me to really complain about. I just want to let you guys know that it might happen. So put it in your left pocket, you'll be good to go. But as far as music quality, let's talk about that, because these things sound really good. They're loud enough to be outside and block out all the wind, all the sound. If you're using these in the gym, they're gonna do a good job of blocking out all the banging and clanking and the people talking. The sound quality is very balanced. These are not bass heavy, but they do have a punch, meaning that these are very balanced, clean sound, which is what I really like, to be honest with you. I mean, I don't like too much bass because it ends up muddying up the music, and that is not the case here. This is actually a pretty balanced sound, especially out of some true wireless earbuds. Now, as far as sound quality goes, I definitely give these, I don't know, I'll give these about an 8 or a 9 out of 10. Sound quality is pretty good. Now, as far as the fit, these are the biggest ear tips they have, and I think they could be a size bigger. I think these are usually mediums in other brands. So I think they could use some bigger ear tips, because I had to put them in my ear and then twist them a little bit to get them to seal. That way I could actually get some of that bass up in there. But other than that, as far as comfort, they are definitely a good size. That way they don't give you any wearing fatigue as you're wearing them. And of course, they're very lightweight because they're true wireless earbuds. So you can see that little ring around there where it's kind of, glowing and stuff. That's because they're on. And what I like about them is that when you take them out of the case, they automatically turn on, pair to each other, and then they pair to your phone immediately. And look at this case, man. This case is, I was kind of skeptical about this case, but this case is like, I don't know, if you're carrying lipstick or, I don't know, a mace, it's about the size of some mace. Okay, it's about the size of some mace. That's pretty cool. So yeah, it's about a mace size case. And like I said, it charges them up. I think you get about 2 or 3 charges. Let's see here. So single earbuds playtime 6 hours. Are you serious? 6 hours? We're charging case up to 32 hours. Good night. Okay, so we're gonna have to test this out at some point. 6 hours for the charge. That's crazy. For playtime, that's insane. That's the most I've ever seen out of some true wireless earbuds, especially in the budget lineup. And 32 times, so that means you could charge, oh my God, that's crazy. Now let's get to some features. So they have this little pad right here. Let me take one out. They have this little pad right here. Both of them have the same pad. So if you tap it, it's not a button. If you tap it, listen, I'm gonna tap it. Yeah, you hear that? So if you tap it, it'll play and pause. Now you're supposed to be able to double tap to go forward on the right ear and then double tap on the left ear to go backwards or something like that. Going backwards doesn't really work as well as going forward. Going forward works, I don't know, maybe 80% of the time. But in my experience, I could not really get the reverse track to work. So that's just my experience in these headphones. But overall, man, I think the build quality is great. I think the functionality is pretty good, because we're talking about budget here. And then you get this insane battery life. Well, let's go ahead and look in the box and see what else you get. So let me open this up. I'm being too rough. All right, so we got this welcome aboard pamphlet. Yeah, wait a minute, what is that? Okay, yeah, that's just a warranty card and stuff. Let me see what's in this box. USB, yep, USB charging cable. Got those ear tips. Like I said, the ear tips, they could be larger because all these are small in my opinion. And then you get some wings so they won't fall out. I'll be honest, I didn't need the wings. They felt pretty good without the wings. But these ear tips are mega small. Let's put this box to the side. What is all this stuff? What is this? All right, this is a, yeah, it's a fan, okay. That's cool. It's a flashlight. What the? Okay, let me close this up. I did see this on here. So I think it could be like a battery bank, but you can plug this in here just like that. And now you got, hold on. Am I doing this wrong or right? Whoa. Oh my God. Oh man, that burned. So you got a flashlight here. Yes, that is so stinking cool, man. You got a flashlight. It's so bright. Okay, that's a flashlight. And this is a stinking fan. So you just put that spindle on there. You put the propeller on there, on that spindle. Just like that. Push it on. And then you put this on here like this. No, it's this way. Whoa. Okay, so this definitely needs an on-off switch. That is so fly, man. Look, you got features. You definitely get features with the Force Sport Wireless Earbuds. Let me see. This definitely needs an on and off switch because you can mess yourself up. Oh God. Okay, you definitely, if I could suggest something to Tiamat, put an on and off switch on this fan. I don't like the fact that it starts up as soon as I connect it. I'm gonna chop my dang fingers off. That is so cool. You got a flashlight and a fan put in here. And of course, you get the star of the show, which is the earbuds. Man, I have to recommend these. They do have their pros and cons as far as connectivity, but I still have to recommend them, man. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put these in rotation, man. But I ain't no expert in this kind of stuff. I'm digging these headphones, man, and I love these accessories. This is some cool stuff, man. Anyways, before I get out of here, y'all make sure you tap on that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one.